Now, question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2. Here in this question we have question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. Then we find n. Which number of term is AP is minus 150. Suppose n is, we want here n, we get n, then it is a term of AB is minus 150. Here, find here minus 150. Therefore, A is equal to 11. Difference is equal to 8 minus 11 minus 3. 5 minus 3 minus 3. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Therefore, D is equal to minus 3. And I is equal to minus 150. Check whether minus 150 and is completed number, positive integer, then it is 150 minus 1. This number of term is minus 150. Find here n. What is our formula? n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here minus 150, 11 plus n minus 1 into difference. Difference is equal to minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Here minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 is in dividation. Minus 161 upon minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. 161 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to n. n is equal to 161 plus 3 ones are 3 upon 3 and is equal to 164 divided by 3. Here 164, 6, 4, 10 and 1, 11. 11 is not multiple of 3, then it is not divided by 3. 164 upon 3, which is not positive integer. Which is not positive integer. N should be. N is equal to 164 upon 3. But in AP, N should be positive integer. Here n is not integer, n integer. Therefore, so minus 150 is not a term of, minus 150 is not a term of AP 11, 8 of AP 11, 8, 5, 3. AP positive integer, so is not a term of. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. No. Minus 150 is not a term of AP. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. In this question, 31st term, A 31st is equal to, find the 31st term, we find the 31st term, whose 11th term is 38. 11th term, A 11 is equal to 38. 16th term is 73. A16 is equals to 73. We have given two terms. Then we get two equations and solve these two equations by linear equation, elimination method, and getting A and B. Now, in this equation, A11 and is equals to A plus n minus 1 into B. Putting here A11 is equals to A plus A11. What is value of n? 11 into D. A11 is equals to 38 is equals to A plus 10. Equation number first. Second equation, A16. A16 is equals to A plus 16 minus 1 to B. Then A16 is equals to 73. A plus 15D. It is equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 we get. Here equation number 1, A plus 10D is equal to 38. And second equation, A plus 15D is equal to 73. Solve this equation by elimination. Subtract them. Minus 40 is equal to minus 35. D is equal to minus 35 upon minus 5. D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7. Now find A. Putting D is equal to 7 in equation 1 or 2. 38 is equal to A plus 10 into D. Value D is equal to 7. 38 is equal to A plus 70. 38 minus 70 is equal to A. Minus 32 is equal to A. Therefore, A is equal to minus 32. A is equal to minus 32. Putting in second equation, D is equal to 7 here. A is plus 1, 7 5 is 105, 73 minus 105, then minus 32. Now find with number of term A31. A is equal to minus 32. D is equal to 7. A31 find here to find n is equal to 31. N is equal to 31. What is formula? N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A31. A minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 into difference. Difference is equal to 7. Is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7. Minus 32 plus 10. 178. Then we see the 31st term of AP is 178, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. The 31st term of AP is 178. 31st term of AP is 178. We have given two terms. Prepare two equation, then solve this equation by elimination method or any method. We get here two variable equation, linear equation. A and B are variable. Then we find B, A and put in equation A31. Find 31. 31st term Therefore, we find here a 31st term of AP is 178. Now, question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. In this question, 50 terms, there are 50 terms is given, is in this AP. Third term, A3 is equals to 12. And last term is 106. How many terms? 50 terms. Last term, that means A50 is equals to 106. Find 29th term, A29. It is question like question number 7, 6. Two terms are given, then find A and D, and using A and D in this to find 29th term. Here A3 is equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A3, 12 is equals to A plus 2D. And A50 is equals to 106. A50 is equals to A plus 50 minus 1 into D. What is the value of A50? 106. A plus 49D. Equation 1 and 2. We have equation first. A plus 2D is equals to 12. And A plus 49D is equals to 106. Minus 47D is equals to minus 494. D is equals to minus 94 divided by minus 47. B is equals to. Then find A. In equation 1, A plus D is equals to 12. A plus 2 into 2 is equals to 12. A is equals to 12 minus 4. A is equals to 8. Find here A29. A29 is equals to A plus 29 minus 1 into D is equals to A is equals to A plus 29 minus 1, 28 into D is equals to 2. 8 plus 56, 64. Then write in last 29th term of AP is 64. Term has 29th term of AP is 64. Which term of 29th term of AP? A29 is equals to 64. Question number 9. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Which term of number of terms is 0? Here, third and ninth term, A3 and A9 of an AP are 4. Third term are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term of AP is 0? Which term? A. find here n. Which term of an is 0? First we find using these two terms. Prepare two equations. Then find a and b. Getting a and b using a and is equal to 0 in this formula. A3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. A3 is equal to 4. Then a plus 2d is equal to 4. Equation number 1. Again, a9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. What is the value of a9? Minus a plus 8b. Then a plus 8b is equal to minus 8. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we solve and get a and b. A plus 2d is equal to 4. A plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Minus minus plus. Minus 6d is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 upon minus 6. D is equal to minus 2. We get here D is equal to minus 2. A plus 2d is equal to 4. Putting d is equal to minus 2. A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A minus 2 2s are 4 plus minus minus 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. A is equal to 8. Which number of term is 0? Here find a and is equal to 0. Our formula a and is equal to a plus and minus 1 into d. A and is equal to 0. A and is found and minus 1 difference minus 2. 0 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 8 upon minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. 2 4s are n minus 1 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 plus 1. N is equal to 5. Which term of this AP is 0? Fifth term. Which term? Fifth term of this AP is 0. Fifth term of this AP is 0. Putting AP is equal to 0, then we find n and fifth term. We get n is equal to 5. Fifth term of AP is 0. Now question number 8 and 9 completed here. Write in your notebook.